Okay, we got a Volvo 780. This guy drove all the way from Orlando from us. By the way, if you're out of state, don't be shy. If you we're in Miami, so if you have one of these trucks, and I know it's hard to find somebody in your state or in your hometown to work in these type of trucks due to the fact that all the electrical is the same color. You have to kind of be an old school installer and you know how to use your test light and know electrical system. So it makes it a little more challenging for some folks to go ahead and tackle this project. But feel free, if you have a load in Miami, you can give us a call. Our numbers are 305-298-4814 to coordinate installation, and you give us a couple of days in advance, and we'll be able to meet up with you guys after you drop off your load and get this done for you. I'm going to show you how it works. Basically, you have an app on the phone, and you're going to have the remote control. To arm the system, you're going to hit lock. Okay, that's one honk. The system is on. It's going to tell you doors are locked. It's going to give you the voltage here of the actual truck. It gives you the signal of the actual unit. To track it, you're going to hit this little guy down here. You hit this little guy in the left. It gives you a map where the car is. You can do satellite image. Okay. To unlock it, to turn off the alarm, if you're at home and you want to turn it off already, you can go ahead, or whatever. If you're approaching your truck, you can hit unlock. Okay. It's going to give you 2 chirps. That means the truck is off. The alarm is off. To remote start the truck, you hit this little guy here, the remote start at the top. This gives you the run time once the truck is running. And this is to turn off the truck. I'm going to go ahead and do it. Okay. First, it's going to start turning on all the. We gave it the diesel delay, so it moves all the needles like this. It goes back. The diesel delay. And it's going to go ahead and do the crank now in a few seconds. I extended the crank time because in these trucks, this particular truck, it's a lot of cranking before it starts. This is a pretty new truck. Other trucks that we've done in the past, not Volvo, but Peterbilt and other trucks, don't take that long to actually crank up. But I guess it's just the way Volvo designed it. It takes it takes more cranking to get it going. But that's why I prefer this alarm system, which gives me all the programmable features that I need to work on that cranking time for the truck. So right now it's going to give me the 30-second going backwards. The 30 minutes going backwards on the actual time there. See how it's going backwards? Once it reaches 000, the truck will automatically turn off. Or if you wish to turn it off, you can hit this little guy here, and that will turn off the remote start. Now, keep in mind that when you open the door, you still have to put the key and turn it and open the ignition. You can't just put the key and you can't just jump in the truck and go. You're gonna have to turn the key in the ignition. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off anyway. I'm gonna go ahead and hit this. Will turn it off. This you can do it anywhere in the world. You can even be out of the country, as long as you got Wi-Fi connection in your phone, and you can arm and disarm and remote start it. So if you're on vacation on a cruise or whatever, you can start the truck at the yard, so when you get back you don't have a dead battery. Or while you're approaching the yard where you keep your truck, you can always start it, so when you get there it's an advantage. The truck is already it's cool inside where you left the AC on the on position, so that will keep your truck cool, and it'll warm up your truck as well. So all you got to do is pretty much jump on the truck and go. So you're saving time because you got a half an hour there that you don't have to spend at the yard, and that will be your sleep time. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how the alarm fires off. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and hit lock. 1 chirp is on, 2 chirps is off. By the way, it comes with the remote, so you can hit this twice and it will remote start the truck. So if you don't want to do it from your phone, you can always do it from the actual remote control. The remote control only gives you a length of a football field. I'm gonna go ahead and bang in the window, and that will fire off the alarm system. He canceled the alert. This is now the push notification. What happened is he touched the screen He turned off the push notification, but it came in. It sounds like an actual alarm going off on the phone. So yeah, we'll do it again before the video is over, and that way he doesn't touch the screen. All right. Somebody opens the door, it's gonna fire off the alarm. Came in from, that's why he wasn't getting the alerts, I mean the sound, because he has the phone on vibrate and he has an Apple Watch. And by the way, you can do everything from the Apple Watch. Go ahead and find the you should be able to have the app there. It should be there, unless you have to I think he has to set it up, but it's there. We'll do that in a second while he plays with that. By the way, it has to start a kill. When you arm the alarm, the truck won't start. I'm not gonna fire it off, I'm just gonna arm it. See? It kills the starter. So if somebody goes into your truck and breaks the window and tries to start your truck, it has a starter kill. It won't start the truck. So you don't have to worry too much about him taking off with your truck. The only thing he can do here while you getting the alert at your house is maybe take whatever he can. It's going to be a foot race between you and him who leaves first. But that the truck will take off, I don't think so. It kills the starter. He's going to have to put the wires together, and you're going to have to start taking this apart. And I don't think that somebody's going to be doing that. Yeah, this alarm system was installed here in this Volvo by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. I'll show you one more thing before we go. Okay, let's say you drive up somewhere and you want to get off and you don't want to turn off the truck. I mean, you want to take the keys with you and you don't want to turn off the truck because you got other people in the truck or whatever. You can press this twice here. Okay, and now you can remove the key and the truck stays running. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off. But that's called a pit stop. So in essence, when you get somewhere, you can turn off you press that twice. Take the key out, the truck will stay running for 30 minutes. If you want to go grab a drink or whatever, or take a shower and you want to leave the truck running and lock it and close the doors, whatever you want to do, that keeps the truck running. That's a nice little feature that comes with the unit. This system again was installed here in Miami, Florida by Auto Alarm Specialists, and numbers are 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video, and stay safe out there, truckers. Thank you.